Your new Amarok has a really clever new touchscreen. It's got quite a lot of functionality that we can play with, but I'll just show you a few of the basic things. I'm just in the menu option here, so you've got all of your different settings, but you also have a quick select here. So if we go to radio, it'll show you your radio screen, and using these buttons you can cycle through all sorts of different radio stations, or you can simply pick and hold and it will set that preset for that station. You can also go to station list, and this will list all the stations in the nearby area. So if you're driving around the country, this will update to whatever the local frequency is for that station. So you simply click on this one and it should connect to whatever the local frequency is. From there, you've also got a media option. So this is where you would have your Bluetooth music, if you're using the CD player, or if you've got the phone plugged in via AUX or via USB, you can simply click on any of those options that you want to play music through and it should start connecting. Using this phone button here, once a phone is paired, this will show your contacts and any recently called people. You can simply quick select that and it will dial for you. And on this side, this app button here is how you can connect to Apple Carplay. So if you wanted to use Apple Carplay, simply plug the phone in via a USB device, and once you push this app, you should be able to connect your phone to Apple Carplay and control everything via the screen there. So you don't ever need to take your have the phone distract you. It can all just be done through the screen.